Hello mga math enthusiast! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. At andito na naman si Teacher Maria, ang inyong math buddy para tulungan kayo sa mga problema nyo sa math. And for today's video, nandito pa rin tayo sa differentiating sequence and series. Pero igagahit ko kayo sa learning task 4 ninyo kung saan may task kayo na to determine the first of 5 terms. Alamin nyo yung unang 5 terms of each defined sequence and give their associated series. Pero bago ko simulan ng video tutorial na ito, mga anak ko, siguraduhin na munang napindot nyo na dyan ang like button. O, pindutin na. At syempre, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo na rin dyan ang subscribe button. At i-hit mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang maging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Okay na? Na-like, na-subscribe at na-hit na rin ang notification bell? Kung okay na, tara na, simulan na natin. Okay, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, we have to determine the first 5 terms of each defined sequence. So, yung n natin, okay, 5 yan. So, we have n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unang 5 ang isa-solve natin. So, yung n natin dito, papalitan natin ng bawat isa dito. Okay, so let's start ha. So, 3 plus yung n magiging, lagyan natin ng label. Wait. O, first term. So, you have n equals 1. So, yung n mo dito magiging 1, ha? So, 3 plus 1 raised to 3. So, 3 plus, what is 1 raised to 3? 1 lang yan. So, 3 plus 1, you have 4. So, yung first term mo, 4 siya. For the second term, you have n equals 2. So, 3 plus 2 raised to 3. So, 3 plus, what is 2 raised to 3? That's 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And then 3 plus 8, you have 11. Okay, for the third term, you have n equals 3. So, 3 plus 3 raised to 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So, 3 raised to 3 is 27. So, 3 plus 27 is simply 30. Ganun lang mga anak, akala nyo mahirap, no? O, 4. Fourth term. So, n is equal to 4. So, 3 plus 4 raised to 3. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So, 3 plus 64, you have 67. And for the fifth term, you have 5. N equals 5. So, 3 plus n, 5 na pala yan. 3 plus 5 raised to 3. So, 3 plus 5 raised to 3 is 5 times 5. 25 times 5 is 125. 3 plus 125 is 128. Okay? Now, eto ngayon ang sagot nyo ay 4, 11, 30, 67, 128. Ito yung first of 5. Now, ano ngayon yung S8 natin? Kasi series, di ba? S8 tuloy. S5. So, yung S5 natin, paano kinukuha yan? You just have to add yung first 5 terms. So, 4 plus 11 plus 30 plus 67 plus 128. O, ilan ang total niyan? Teka. Para mas mabilis na, pakita ko na lang sa inyo using this one. So, you have 4 plus 11 plus 30 plus 67 plus 128. And that's it. 240 yung summation ng lahat ng to. So, your S5 is equal to 240. Ito na yung sagot ninyo. 240. Okay, let's go to number 2. Medyo mahaba ito Enter ko lang. Okay, so still ganun pa rin. Ang n natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so n equals 1. So 2 times 1 minus 10 plus 4 times 1 squared. So yung mga n pinalitan ng 1. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 10 plus 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4. 2 minus 10 is negative 8 plus 4. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. O, ito na yung first term nyo. Second term, n equals 2. 2 times 2 minus 10 plus 4 times 2 squared. So, yung mga n naman magiging 2. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 10 plus 2 squared. Laging inuuna yung exponent ha. 4 times 4, 16. What is 4 minus 10? That's negative 6, tama? Plus 16. Okay, positive 10. You're correct. Okay. So, we're done with the second term. Let's go with the third term. So, 2 times 3 minus 10 plus 4 times 3 raised to 2. O, 3 naman yung pinalit nyo dito sa n ninyo, ha? 2 times 3 is 6 minus 10 plus 3 squared is 9. Correct? Times 4 is 36. Okay, what is 6 minus 10? That's negative 4 plus 36. So, negative 4 plus 36. It's what? 32. Correct. Magkaiba kasi yung sign ha, kaya ina-add, sinasubtract. Tapos kukunin yung sign ng mataas na number. Okay, and then n equals 4. So, 2 times 4 minus 10 plus 4 times 4 squared. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 10 plus 4 squared is 16 times 4 is 64. So, 8 minus 10 is negative 2 plus 64. You will have 62. O, yung 5 dito ko na sa baba. We have n equals 5. N equals 5. So, you will have 2 times 5 minus 10 plus 4 times 5 squared. So, this is 10 minus 10 plus 4 times what is 5 squared? 25 times 4. Diretso na natin. 25 times 4 is 100. Correct. So, 10 minus 10, 0 na to, plus 100. 100 na lang. So, you have here negative 4, 10, 32, 62, and 100. Okay, para sa ating S of 5, you just have to add negative 4, plus 10, plus 32, plus 62, plus 100. Okay, so let's see. So, 4 negative plus 10 plus 32 plus 62 plus 100. And that's 200. Okay, so total nung first 5 terms mo is 200. This one is for number 2. Now, let's go to number 3. Ibaba na natin para sa space natin. Ganun ulit ha. Yung n natin is 1 to 5. Okay, so n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you will have here n is equal to 1, negative 3 raised to, huwag kayong magkakamali dito ha, 1 minus 10. Negative 3 raised to 1 is still negative 3 minus 10. That is ilan? Negative. Teka lang, nabago ko ba yung given natin? Wait lang ha. Teka, hindi ko pala nabago, kaya pala parang ayaw kong isolve. Okay, makakalibre kayo eh. Tanggalin natin yan. Sige na mga anak ha, ayokong ibigay kasi para sana kayo mismo din nakakapag-solve. May chance kayo. Ayokong agawin yung chance na yon na kayo sa sarili nyo ay matry. Yung iba kasi screenshot, tas yun na, kukopehin na lang, hindi na inintindi. Talaga kayo. We have here negative 2 raised to 1 minus 10. So, we have negative 2 minus 10. Negative 2 minus 10 is negative 12. Okay. And then, n is equal to 2. So, you have negative 2 raised to 2 minus 10. Negative 2 raised to 2. So, that's negative 2 times negative 2, diba? So, magiging 4. Positive na siya. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Okay. Next, n is equal to 3. So, negative 2 raised to 3 minus 10. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo to, ha, magiging, paano ba? Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Positive, diba? Times negative 2, negative 8 siya. So, negative 8 minus 10. Negative 8 minus 10 is negative 18. Tama. Okay, now n is equal to 4. So, you will have negative 2 raised to 4 minus 10. So, dahil even to, magiging positive yung negative natin, ha? So, negative 8, duktungan na lang natin ng negative 2. So, that's positive 16. 16 minus 10, that's a 6. Okay, and then n is equal to 5. So, negative 2 raised to 5 minus 10. O, ihabol lang natin to dito. So, that's negative 32. Negative 32 minus 10 is negative 42. Correct. Okay, so we have now 12, or negative 12, negative 6, negative 18, 6, and then negative 42. Now, ano ang S5 natin? So, ang S5 natin will be negative 12 plus negative 6 plus negative 18 plus 6 plus negative 42. Aha. O, ilan yan? O, let's see na dito ha, para mabilis. Okay, 12 negative plus 6 negative plus 18 na negative. Okay, plus positive 6 plus 42 na negative. Okay, so the answer is negative 72. Equals to negative 72. Okay, so ang S5 natin ay negative 72. Now, for number 4, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blank plus dot plus n. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? So, ang n natin dyan ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sa N1 natin, ibig sabihin, N equals 1, ibig sabihin, yung first term lang niya. So, that's 1. Pag dumating ka sa N2, i-add mo na, wait, 1. N equals 2. I-add mo yung first at second, kasi plus yan eh. So, 1 plus 2, you have 3. Pagdating sa N3, you will have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3 is 6. And then, pag sa N4 naman, anong susunod kay 3? 4, diba? So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Para naman sa N5, you have to have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yung first 5 terms. So, that is, kung ito ay 10 plus 5, 15. So, you will have here now 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. For your S5, you have 1 plus 3 plus 5. Plus 5 daw. Plus 6, sorry. Plus 6. Wait. Ba't may kama? Ayan. Plus 10 and plus 15. Okay. So, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 10 is 20, plus 15 is 35. Tama ba ako? 3, 10, 35. So, your S5 is 35. Okay? For the last one, huli na to. So, we have here 3 minus 2, and then parenthesis n minus 1. So, your n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for n equals 1, you have 3 minus 2 times 1 minus 1. Okay, so 3 minus 2, what is 1 minus 1? Uunahin nyo na sa parenthesis ha, 0. So 3 minus 0, sagot lang dyan, 3. Okay, so n equals 2, so 3 minus 2 times 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1 is, tama, 1. Okay, so 3 minus 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, and then what is 3 minus 2? 1. For our third term, n is equal to 3. So, you have here 3 minus 2, and then, ang n ay 3 minus 1. So, 3 minus 2, what is 3 minus 1? Laging nasa parenthesis yung muna, ha? 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Okay? And then, for n equals 4, you have here 3 minus 2, 4 minus 1. So, 3 minus 2. What is 4 minus 1? We have there 3. Okay? So, 2 times 3 is 6. So, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And then, for the last one, hala, wala akong space. Dito na lang ha. N equals 5. So, 3 minus 2 times 5 minus 1. So, 3 minus 2 times, what is 5 minus 1? You have there 4. So, what is 2 times 4? 8. So, 3 minus 8 is negative 5. So, you will have here 3, 1, negative 1, negative 3, negative 5. And then, for your S of 5, kita nyo pa ba dyan? Teka, adjust ko. Ayan. So, you will have here 3, malat na si Teacher Maria, plus 1, plus negative 1, plus negative 3, plus negative 5. Okay. So, you will have here now 3 plus 1 plus 1, which is negative 1, plus negative 3, plus negative 5. Ayan, naulit. Ulit. 3 plus 1 plus ay, naku, wag na calcu. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus negative 1. So, 0 na lang siya. Ito din, 0 na lang. So, you have negative 5. Ayan, kung naiintindihan nyo na, sorry. Kung naiintindihan nyo ang video na ito at nagustuhan ninyo, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section ha. Mga anak, alam nyo naman ang mga comments ninyo ay mahalaga para ma-up ang video na ito at makita din naman siya ng iba. Kaya please, wag nang ipagkait kay Teacher Maria ang mga comments ni John. Kahit thank you, kahit smiley, basta may comment mga anak ha. At syempre, i-share na rin ito sa mga classmates ninyo para may guide din sila. Baka mamaya, baliw na yung mga yan sa pre-calculus nyo. At least meron silang pupuntahan na channel para may guide sila. At syempre, pa-follow naman ang Facebook page natin dyan. Lagi kong sinasabi, Love Math TV. Sige na mga anak, pa-follow na dito ha. At laging tandaan, let's spread the love of math. Thank you and bye!